Fish on. No, small one. Oh, largemouth. Oops. Oh, sliming up the boat. Saw a couple arches behind the boat, and there's a little one. Oh, decent fish. Nope, just a smallie. He felt big. Man, it's been too long since I've caught a smallmouth. We barely fished for them this year. I mean, I've only had one small trip. Settle down. All right, look at that. They're definitely feeding well. Look how fat this little guy is. I've only been to a lake with smallmouth in one other time this year, and I caught one that had the body of a 3-pounder, but probably only weighed a pound because it was so malnourished. This guy, oh man, his stomach is, oh, he's eating craws. I feel something really hard in his stomach. They're eating craws. Alright folks, so just released a smallmouth. This is the lake Josh and I aren't familiar with. We came here once earlier this year, but it was just after the spawn, and fishing was horrible. I just cast in the middle of nowhere when I caught that guy. We're in 30 foot, so we're gonna move around and see if we can find him offshore. I know he was back there somewhere though. There had to be something keeping him in that spot. Fish. No. He's digging. What is it? Is it a largie or smallie? Smallie. About the same size as the last one, folks. Ow! Got me with his dorsal. No, he's smaller. Where's this line? Alright, so like I just said, we're offshore. Oh, he's starting to poop. He's getting back in the water. Hopefully we can find the bigger ones. Oh man, it shallowed up quick. Boat's an 18-foot. It drops pretty damn quick right here then. Because we haven't moved very far. Yeah. It was a good spot. Yeah, that's what I need to do that too. There was fish back there. I wonder if we should double back or if we should just keep moving. Yeah. One nice little pitch back there. Let's see. Ooh! No, but they sure fight hard. Bigger one. Dude, he's going nuts right now. No, he's just a fighter. It's like about the same size as the first one. Yep. Alright, forgot to turn on my camera. Back-to-back casts. Oh, this is a better one. He's not big, but he's a better one. Oh, might as well just. I don't want to flip him. Yeah, he won't stop digging. Sweet. That's a decent little chunk. Alright. Hey, settle down. Settle down. Yeah, it's about maybe close to a pound and a half. Look at that, folks. Nah, he's probably a little over a pound, pound and a quarter. Probably like what, like 13 inches, somewhere around there. Yeah, chunky, small. These are pretty. I think I might have found a little small offshore school. I've just been casting in the rough area, same rough area. Boats in 18 foot of water and not even 15, 20 foot that way. It drops down to like 30 something feet. We've drifted a bit. I don't know which direction to throw. Oh! Just like that. Oh! Oh, he came off. Oh my God, I wasn't freaking recording. Okay, sorry folks. I thought I was recording, but I cast it offshore a bit. Oh, this small, he does not want to come in the boat. Get him! All right, thanks, dude. All right, we're in the same spot. And yeah, that's like a 1.5. He's fat. He's got good belly. Yep, they're eating craws. I feel some crunchy stuff in his belly too. Catch them on a drop shot, but they're definitely eating craws right now. That's a beautiful smallmouth. Look at this. Look at the pattern on that one. It's a pretty fish. See ya. Oh yeah. Oh, oh my God, that's a good one. That's a good one. Ooh, Josh with the football jig fish. Oh, get him! Oh, dude, that's a 3+. I'm sitting here throwing a drop shot. Josh threw a football jig out there. They're eating craws.
Smashed it.
That's a nice fish. That's a real nice fish. Good job, bro. Is that what it says on there? Mm-hmm. So 304. Yeah, 3-pounder. £3 small. That's a nice chunk. Oh, did you jack my worm? Freaking jack my worm. All right, 3.04 pounds. Good chunky smallmouth. Perfect way to start the morning for Josh. Oh. No, he's fine. I think he just has to get acclimated. Oh, do you think he needs to be fizzed? Alright folks, so I don't have a fizz kit. That fish wasn't going down. This is the trick I learned from a video of Matt Newman. Stick the end of a marker buoy down his throat, and once he gets to the bottom, tug and pop it out. And just like that, the smallmouth is back down on the bottom. His air bladder is adjusted, and he's good to go. This way you don't have to fizz him. Alright, folks, another one on the drop shot. Alright, so we're basically keeping the boat in the 20 to 25 foot zone. We're experimenting, casting shallow and casting deeper into 30. Ooh. No, it's just fighting real good. He put a big bend in my rod. These fish are strong. Simmer down. That's what I love about smallies. They feel so much bigger than they are. Look at that guy. It's amazing how deceiving these smallies can be. That pulled this one out of 30 foot of water and he felt like it was a 3-pounder. Had my Dobyns doubled over. Oh. Oh, this, oh my God, this is a big one. Yeah. He's pulling hard. Maybe not big, but oh, it's my best one so far. Come on, get in there. Whew. Yeah, not a toad, but my big, no, he might not be my biggest, but he felt the biggest. I don't know. Calm down. So you want him hooked right in the top lip. Man, that's, these fish are built. They got a gut. Man, these smallies are pretty. Let's let them go. Small one, damn it. Oh, no. Wow. It's funny, the other one I caught wasn't much bigger than him and fought 10 times harder. These fish are kind of funny. This one felt like a dink. He didn't have much fight in him at all. Stop shaking. Just can't find this. I just can't get the size today. Wow, it is super shallow and even more weedy than I remember.
Yeah. Probably just gotten worse than.
Yeah. I wonder if I should switch to a weightless. Oh, fish! It feels good. Oh, he just got off! No, he dove down into the weeds and got off. Dude, that was a good one. That was a real good one. No. Small one, but it's fish. Throw my frog rod. Oh my God. I hate when they're hooked in the cheek and like it's impossible to get them out.
I know, right? The gill plate.
Oh God. Okay, well I gotta remelt that Senko. I like how these turned out. That's a sweet color.
It is a nice color.
I took the leftovers to my last batch and dug out some whites, some yellows, and some lighter green pumpkin colors to mix in with it. Oh, bigger one. Oh, look. For some reason, this batch of plastic isn't as durable as my last one. God, hooked right in the gill plate again. On the side. Another one. Oh! Good one? Oh. Hey. Still a decent one. Yeah, it is. It's like a 2-pounder. It's like a 2. Nice, dude. Black and blue dirty jig. Hey folks, got lazy and didn't swap out my GoPro battery. Caught this 2.13 pounder on a 7.25 inch Savage Gear Shine Glide and bluegill. It's a nice fish. I wish I had my GoPro rolling because he came out of nowhere and smashed it.